That's always
Number 5297 Golf, runway 14, clear for immediate takeoff.
clear for immediate takeoff, runway 14, 5297 Golf. Have a good day.
November 4 Hotel Whiskey, runway 14, clear to land.
Here's from 4, ready to soar.
4 Whiskey, heavy.
And he's good. Rotate, rotate.
Clear Tower 27129 on the RNAV 14.
Push it down, get a little speed.
You clear 129.
Delta, depart to the south, Delta, and we'll stay west of Alpha.
Helicopter 583 Charlie Tango, Sarasota Tower, squawk 0145, altimeters 3008, maintain west of taxiway Alpha, and just remain in position for now.
Holding position, squawking 0145, 583 Charlie Tango.
November 3 Charlie Tango, departure from Dolphin Beach, run rescue, use caution, and maintain west of taxiway Alpha.
West of Alpha, clear to lift, my risk off, Dolphin 583 Charlie Tango.